Hello? Hello? Anybody out there? So none of you could pinch me and tell me so the baking start. Me not ask you to pinch me and tell me when the baking start. Oh no, look here. Look here, jewelry. Look pan them a cake here. Lord of mercy. So if people can thief picture off of Google and pretend say a feeding cake, why me can't thief sitting off of Facebook? Them sorrel, you can tell say them making our country where grow sorrel. Lord, them mama and papa raise them right. Send them a school. Lord Jesus, then got basic school. Then go on to high school and graduate from college. Jesus Christ, them look good. Oh Lord, look on the one here. Sexy. Lord, me know so she must have a planting field in her backyard. Me I beg you to do me a favor. Go round there and cut me a hand of planting. Please and send it to Master Baker. Because Master Baker don't have no planting, you know. Master Baker don't have no planting. Look how the cake look delicious. Lord of mercy, my belly just a roll up and a grow up. Turn to the worm. When I go and send my gut for locks. Look how the thing look. Anyways, yeah, like me say, if people can thief picture off of Google and pretend say I feed them cake, me no must can thief something off of Facebook. I want to for. I want to for.